Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set the clock in NMAX V2. First, ensure your scooter's ignition is on, but the engine does not need to be running. Locate the two primary buttons on your instrument panel, usually labeled Select and Reset. These buttons are crucial for navigating and adjusting the time display. Keep them in mind. To begin adjusting the time, firmly press and hold the Select button for a brief period, about 2 seconds. You will notice the hour display on your dashboard starts flashing. This visual cue tells you that the clock is now in adjustment mode and ready for your input. It's the first step to precise timekeeping. Now that the hour is flashing, use the Reset button to change the displayed hour. Each press will advance the hour by 1 unit. Continue pressing until you reach the current hour you desire. Once the correct hour is shown, press the Select button just once. This confirms your hour choice and moves you to the next step. After confirming the hour, you will observe that the minute display is now flashing. Similar to setting the hour, you will use the Reset button to cycle through the minute values. Press Reset repeatedly until you reach the exact minute for the current time. Precision here ensures your clock is highly accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.